Hi everyone, today we will be reading If Animals Tried to Be Kind by Whitford. So let's go ahead and get started. If animals tried to be kind like we do, Porcupine would choose 2 quill needles to knit, a scarf for Giraffe, long enough to fit. Gator would offer Raccoon a ride on his scaly canoe to the swamp's other side. Hyena would laugh, mocking Wildebeest, until Lion roared, then the teasing would cease. Pig would spy Sheep sat, alone by a rock, and start up a lively oink and bad talk. If animals tried to be kind like we do, Porcupine would keep knitting, knitty knitty knit, needing more rows for Giraffe's scarf to fit. Seal would make room on her icy flow boat so she and Penguin could share a fun float. Bear would surprise his best buddy Snake with a tasty sweet yum honey cake. When Old Owl couldn't see very well anymore, Hawk would pitch in with her food hunting chore. If animals tried to be kind like we do, Porcupine's needles would nitty knit knit, but Giraffe's scarf, still not long enough to fit. Gently Stork would lift Lizard, soar her up high, so one time at least she'd be close to the sky. Squirrel would see Dog, dig diggity dog, and help in his bone search. Dig, 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 dig. Cat would let Mouse snuggle next to her fur, and House Mouse to sleep with her lullaby. Purr. If animals tried to be kind like we do, when Porcupine had no more yarn to knit, she'd bind off the scarf, and Bird would wrap rapidy it. Round and round, round and round, round, round. A perfect fit. Then Giraffe would hum thanks, and pleased as can be, prance, prance about. See what my friend knitted for me? And that is the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed, and be sure to tune in for more videos in the near future.